Hi everyone, my name is Edward Munoz and today we have a quick tip for you. Today I will show you how you can use the balloon light kit that we sell here in Burton & Burton. It's easy and it's one for that you can impress your customers. In your balloon light kit, coming with 4 different lights. Each light will need 3 different batteries. Inside your kit, you can find 260 clear balloons you will need on the future. Just take 1 260 and you need a stretch down to take off all the air inside your balloon. When you get something like that, you have to make a knot. When you have your light here, you need tie on the back your light. You can use any balloon 3 foot. You can use white, but in this occasion we will use diamond clear. Just put your light inside the balloon. Make sure you hold the 260 when you put the light inside the balloon. Now we are ready to put some air inside the balloon. Make sure you hold your 260 and now it's time to tie all together. When I tie balloons, I use those 2 fingers, just wrapping around 2 fingers, and now you have a space between the 2 fingers to put the neck. Now your balloon is ready. You can use air for the top the one color, or you can use helium if your customer need it. That light is good because you can use different colors. You can use red, you can use green, you can use blue, or white, or multicolor. Now it's time to show the wonderful light to all your customers.